Hey, welcome to this tutorial on how to get rid of the weird ads sometimes that you see when you're trying to play a YouTube video. I know this affects a lot of teachers throughout the district. In particularly, especially I've heard it from lower elementary teachers, especially when you're trying to uh, maximize the most amount of minutes out of your day. And here I've got an example here. I'm trying to play a Jack Hartman video. Right away here I've got an ad for adaptedmind.com. I don't want to watch that. I just want to watch the video. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the address up in the upper left-hand corner of the screen here. I'm going to copy that. And I kind of have this already pre-flighted. I opened up the My Viewboard software from ViewSonic. That's what we use. And I've already signed into it. That's one of the things that you want to make sure that you do is to sign in right away. Open up the magic box down here in the bottom of the toolbar, and I'm going to click on the YouTube video. Now I already have this kind of a pre-flighted already, so here I've got, you paste in that YouTube video and you hit search bar and it comes up with this. I'm going to click on here and I'm going to drag this into my main window. I can close the magic box now. I can move this anywhere around in here, and I can expand this window out to make it bigger. Great idea to make sure that you pre-flight some videos throughout the day. Maybe you need a whole slew of videos throughout the day and you can have those ready to go. Here you can see that I have 2 pages created, and even though they're the same video, you can have multiple videos saved in one slideshow presentation, so to speak, and then just start playing it. The nice thing is that if the content creator has embedding allowed, this allows us to embed the video into programs like Whiteboard software, and then it will help get rid of the ads. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up down below, and please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. That way when new content is pushed out, you'll be the first to know. Thanks so much for watching and have a great rest of the day.